They say that no battle plan survives first contact with the enemy. While your listeners aren't your enemies, it is true that no presentation goes exactly the way it's planned. There's a danger in sounding over-rehearsed, in talking at your listeners instead of with them. I'm not saying you shouldn't prepare, but you prepare your material in order to gain mastery over the content. The better you know your content and those three main points, the easier it will be to give your presentation a conversational feel that resonates with your listeners. When giving high-stakes presentations in front of senior executives, you need to be flexible and adaptable while giving your talk. Senior leaders tend to interrupt and ask questions in order to get you to talk about the aspects that they are interested in. But a skilled presenter turns the presentation into a conversation. It is your best interest to be able to shift focus and then return to your topic. Remember, it's about them, not about you. So be ready and willing to talk about what they want to talk about and let go of talking about what you want to talk about. You may have to leave out some information that you thought was important, but remember, they were actually telling you what was important to them. You need to honor that. People don't like being talked at. They like being talked with.